I don't want your persona. I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just wanna reveal.
Guys, we are in the Homegoods parking lot, so we're gonna go into Homegoods. We're gonna see what we find. Babe, I didn't bring a mask.
Me neither.
I think there's masks in the back, actually.
Yeah, there are.
Sorry.
Box.
freak out moment. So yeah, we have a box back there though. I just remembered. Of disposable masks. But yeah, we're gonna go to Homegoods. Really excited right now. I don't have any makeup on because I wore a lot of makeup yesterday. You know, trying to like make sure my face is okay. But yeah, so we're about to go to Homegoods. Super excited. I hope we find a lot of cute pink things. I'm excited to see the Easter things because they're usually pink. So we're gonna go, and we're excited, and we're doing this.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll vlog you later.
Vlog you later.
Amazing. I will show you the art of paradise. You tell me that you're used to no dreaming, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I'll take you straight to Wonderland. 'Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel like good love working on you, on you, on you, on you.
Hi guys, we just got out of Homegoods, so I had to record with my phone because we kind of forgot the camera in the car. So that didn't happen, but we did record a little bit in the store. There wasn't that many things though, but I feel like we did find cute things, but like I feel like it was just like a repetition of like things that people don't want or something. I don't know,
Yeah.
don't you think?
Yeah, we see the same stuff and the same like broken stuff.
Over and over.
Yeah.
So maybe next time we'll go to a different Homegoods. Maybe we should do that. Go back to that big one, remember?
Yeah, that one was really
That one was really
Or we can
big.
try other stores even.
Yeah, maybe we should go to a different store.
Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning.
That's a store, by the way.
Yeah, we have one like, oh yeah. We have one like just down the street, babe. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do a haul to show you guys what we have. And yeah, we didn't get too many things. And then I also have things from the last time we went to Homegoods that I didn't make a haul video. I don't know, because I didn't do my makeup, so.
That's fine, babe.
Okay,
You're
well.
so pretty. Doesn't
Like,
matter.
thank you, babe. I don't know if they're gonna think that though.
I think it.
So yeah, I might do a haul in a little bit, but yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and just let you guys know what happened. But yeah, we'll go ahead and vlog you guys later, and I'm gonna probably, actually this might just be like a vlog style, like Homegoods, like shop with me kind of a thing. But yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the Homegoods stuff that I picked up today. I also want to show you guys like other Homegoods stuff that I picked up in the past. Spencer's in the back. We are currently cooking. Deku's in the corner, so if you guys hear a lot of noise, that's what it is. But I still wanted to go ahead and do this for you guys. I know this is super like informal, not like my other Homegoods hauls, so we're still gonna do it though. So guys, I'm gonna start off with the stuff that we picked up today. So I picked up this like wire basket for your fruit. So it looks really cool, honestly. It was on sale for $10. But it's really nice. I feel like you could definitely like put in like fruit and even eggs. I don't know, I just got like that kind of like that rustic farmhouse style from it, you know? So Spencer actually found this one and he really liked it, so he picked it out and everything. So that's going to probably be one of our fruit baskets. Since it's only gonna be us two in the beginning, I feel like it's good. So we also picked up this, I'm pretty sure this is also like a baking dish, but I thought this would look really cute like in like an entryway table. If you put like your keys and stuff, like you can put our car keys, house keys, all of that good stuff in here. I feel like that's really cute. But this one's white, really similar to the ones that we picked up in the past. I'll go ahead and link my other Homegoods hauls, which guys, by the way, is a lot more formal, and I'm wearing makeup and I look a lot cuter. But this was $5.99. Okay guys, so we also got these. These are the stainless steel strainer set. So it's 3 strainers in here. So it has like the little one. Oh, I think, did this fall off? It might have come off actually. Oh, did it break? I'm confused. Oh, I think it did break. Oh, boo. We might have to return this. I think it's broken, guys, because this one came off, and I think this is supposed to be up here like this. I don't know if we can glue it or anything. Oh, I don't know. I'll have to see, but it was really cute because it had like the pink handles and it was like a little strainer set. So we'll go ahead and see if we can fix it. I don't think so because this is metal, but maybe we can super glue it or something. I don't know. But yeah, so we got this little strainer set. But I mean, even if it's just the 2, maybe. This was $6.99. It goes with this colander that I bought on Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and do an Amazon haul soon. So you'll probably see one of those. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated about this. I don't know. But the next item that we picked up is this food storage. So this is like a 10-piece. I believe it has 5 containers on the inside. And we've been looking for plastic containers because we have glass ones that I bought at Kohl's, which I have to haul for you guys soon. But this one is plastic. So these are plastic, BPA free, and they have pink on them. So we picked these up and we like the sizes of them because they're pretty big and they just get gradually smaller. So we got that, and this was, ooh, where's the price? Oh, right there. $6.99, which I felt like was a really good deal. Okay guys, another thing that we picked up was this set of 2 reusable Ziploc bags. So these were $7.99. These are kind of pricey, honestly, but we thought that it would be a lot more eco-friendly, and over time we would probably use them a lot. So we got this one, which has like cute little bees on it, because we do have little bee accents throughout the house and throughout our throughout the house.
Our future house.
Future house. Throughout the decor. So we have little bees throughout the decor, so we thought that was really cute. And then we got like this pink one as well in that pack. So we got 2 of those. We're planning on getting a few more. Don't know yet though, because I don't know how often we would use them, but we thought we'd pick them up. Another thing that we got was this Rae Dunn frame. It's really cute. It's like this nice pink with little black hearts here, and this was $5.99. So this is made out of wood, but we thought this would look really, really cute. I really like this frame actually. The last thing that we got in this haul for our house is this little Star Wars 4-pack shaped bag clips. We just are nerds. We thought they were really cute. So like, we've been looking for chip clips. We want other Disney ones, but we thought these were super cute because we also have that Pirates, or what is it? What is that thing called? The measuring cup thing. Oh, I think it's in this haul, like somewhere in here, right? Well, I'll go ahead and show you, or if not, I'll insert a picture. But yeah, so this is really cute and it's gonna match our house. It's gonna look adorable. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys things, not from this haul, but like from Homegoods, because like I said, we've been going to Homegoods a few times and we've been picking things up here and there. I just haven't had time to make a haul video, so. The next item that we have here is the Don't Worry, Be Happy. Like I said, we have little bee accents going along in our house, so we thought this was really cute. This was $5.99. Oh, you know what? Those mugs would have looked really cute with this, babe.
We see those all the time.
Yeah, so maybe we'll get some next time. We saw these mugs that were really cute and like we forgot about it, and like they say don't worry, be happy on them, so we thought we might go ahead and pick those up next time. So we also got this like frame sort of thing. This is $14.99, but it's 3 frames pretty much, and I like the pattern on this and how it looks kind of worn out, I guess. But yeah, it's just like 3 pictures in one, so this would look like really nice on a wall. So we got that for $14.99. Sticking with wall decor, we also picked up this piece. This is Love Rules. Kiss good morning, listen, never take each other for granted, say I love you, respect each other, go on dates, be patient, cuddle, keep your promises, and kiss goodnight. Now this for sure is for Valentine's Day, but we just really liked it and we're probably gonna display it all year round. But yeah, super cute, and it has like the pink outline and the message is really cute, and this was $12.99. Okay guys, so we actually ended up picking up 2 of this same bowl. I'm just gonna show you guys one though. We actually saw 2 more today, which was funny. But we thought these were really nice. So they look like this. They're just pink. I mean, they're white with like these little pink polka dots on it. They're made in Portugal and they were $7.99. So we got two of these because we thought, you know, maybe we could like, when, you know, we have guests over, we can put food in them, put a salad, put some pasta in it. So we got 2 of those. And like I said, it was funny because we saw 2 more of them today in the store and we were like, whoa. But yeah, these are just really, really nice. So if you like this, definitely check out your HomeGoods. They still have some. Okay guys, another thing that we picked up is this pot here. This is $24.99. So this is a new shape, but it goes with our little collection. It's from Masterclass and came with the top and everything. So we picked that up as well. Just, you know, adding to the collection. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit because they didn't do the best job at wrapping it, but it has like a pink base. And then this is the top. So it's like a little cake display. And if you guys can see like the little detail of the plate right there, it's really, really cute. But we thought this would be nice for like cupcakes and Spencer's coffee cake muffins. So we thought that was really cute. Very excited about that. Oh, and by the way, this was $24.99. Okay guys, here are the last few items. I'm trying to hurry because the sun is going down and I feel like the video quality is already kind of weird. We picked up this little like flower tulip sort of like flower arrangement. They're fake flowers, but it has like the fake water and everything. And they're the cute little pink tulips. And this was $14.99, which honestly guys, I feel like for flowers, flowers are pricey, but like these are super cute. So we picked that up for our house. We thought it would look super cute. And then we also picked up this, which is what I was talking to you guys about earlier. It's the Pyrex like Darth Vader sort of like, what is this, measuring cup? So I thought it was really cool. So it just has Darth Vader in it and then it has like the measuring things in the back and stuff. So we thought this was really cute. And this was on, this one was not on sale. This one retailed for $4.99. So we thought it was really cool. So we picked that up. Guys, the last 2 items in our haul, we got these 2 cups. So they were both $5.99. And they're just like this, what is this? Like this, what is this called? Jaded? Is it jaded? I don't know. I don't know what the word is. But they're basically this kind of like, what's the word? What is this called? It's not jaded.
It was cloudy.
I know cloudy, but there's a word for it. But yeah, it's like this cloudy kind of glass. Huh?
Foggy.
No, there's a word for it. I just forgot. But this one has Winnie the Pooh and Piglet and Eeyore and Tigger. It's super cute. And then this one just has Grogu like all over the place, which is really cute. So we picked up those 2. Guys, I completely forgot to show you guys these, but we also picked up these 2 little heart plates, which I feel like would go great for the kitchen, but we got 2 of them and they're $4.99 each. I forgot to show them to you guys, sorry. But yeah, they're just cute little plates like this. Okay guys, that is it for this haul video. I really hope that you guys liked it. I know it was super informal, but you know, I wanted to go ahead and film all of this for you now that I was here. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and do Kohl's or Target next. I'm gonna do an Amazon one too, because I do have things that I've been collecting and there's things that I'm like waiting for. So I really do hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumb up. And if you guys enjoyed me, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. I hope that I get to see your beautiful face in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.